Gusto mo ba ng bagong gala sa Pangasinan?
Yung hindi matao and bang for the buck.
Discover this new spot in Dasol, Pangasinan.
Been here 2018. Used to be called Balin Manok. Now it's Las Calas. It is currently in initial stage of development. Lots of water activities, ATVs, and cave exploring trips. Meron silang mga air-conditioned glamping tents and villas beachfront with jacuzzi. Sobrang tahimik ng lugar nila. You can relax and immerse with nature. Coming from the main gate, ihahatid kayo sa kanilang gaming pavilion. Dito ang kanilang reception and gaming area. For sure, mag-enjoy dito ang mga kids and mga daddies and mommies that are kids at heart. Beside the gaming area is their swimming pool. Pwedeng magtampisaw before or after the beach. Another relaxing feature is their sauna. And then you have their beachfront villas with jacuzzi. Few steps away lang, dagat na. Another tambayan spot near the beach. And voila! A white sand beach called Cove 1. Kids-friendly ito kasi hindi siya biglang lalim. Gradual lang. Pwede kang mag-swimming kahit tanghali kasi may covered area. As you can see on the right side, there is a big tree covering part of the beach. Here are more glamping tents near the beach, and they also have a bar. During this time, there's an event by Grapple Island. So this is where you do breakfast. And moving furthermore is the beach. Kasama na nga pala ang breakfast, lunch, and dinner sa kanilang rate. For team building, they have a big tent that you could use for concerts, weddings, or any occasion. For bookings and more information, please contact Ms. Chai Manuel, the very accommodating sales and marketing manager. Tara, gala tayo.